This video response is going to go out to Survival on a Budget Made Easy, and that's because you uploaded a video entitled Replacing Shutter Spikes on Plastic Shutters. This is a do-it-yourself project. I did watch your entire video, and I may come up with some questions for you later on. It won't be in this particular video, but there's some things I would like to know from you, and I'm not going to ask it in this particular video, but there'll be a separate one where I will go ahead and ask you. If you're wondering about this, I am running a live stream right now, and so I'm talking to you like this, and I'm shifting my head over here to my live stream, and people are watching me right now, so I'm doing both at the same time. And so I hope you bear with me on that. But anyway, I did watch your video, and I had a few questions about your video. Okay, how much rain did you receive from the storm? Were any other homes damaged in the storm? Did you lose electricity in the storm? You had talked about a storm that you went through. I want to know if you lost electricity, etc., etc. How large are the shutters? How long did it take for the nails to arrive? Okay, you apparently you special ordered the nails. I just wanted to know how long it took for those nails to actually arrive at your house. Was your siding also damaged? And the reason why I asked that was because when you were pulling on the shutters, the siding was moving too, and I was wondering if your siding was as damaged as the shutters. Okay. Can you order custom color? You had these nails. You had these special type nails that you were putting into the shutters. Can you order them in custom colors? Can you actually like take a picture of your shutters and send it to them, and then they make the nails in the color of the shutters? I'd like to know that. Now, you were standing on a ladder in your yard. Now, I know I have a yard that's very uneven, and it's a real bear trying to get that actual ladder to stand up and do whatever. I was wondering, how do you keep your ladder balanced? Do you smooth out the ground some ways, or do you have a special board you put out there and it balances out? Or what do you do to keep the ladder balanced so you can stand out and do your work? Okay. Alright, feel free to leave the answers to any and all these questions down here in the comments below. And if you happen not to be Survival on a Budget Made Easy, and you're watching this YouTube channel this YouTube video right now, feel free to go over to Survival on a Budget Made Easy's YouTube channel, watch his videos, comment on his videos, rate his videos, subscribe to his channel if you'd like, and more importantly, tell him that the Speed Learner sent you. Alright, I will tell you more in a future video, so I'd like for you to stay tuned.